One word, two meanings. How does AI know which one you meant? The answer is attention. Consider this sentence. The bank was steep by the river. What does bank mean? Is it a financial institution or the side of a river? The word alone doesn't tell us. We need context. This is where attention comes in. Attention is like a spotlight. It helps each word look around and find the context it needs. Every word creates a query, a question it's asking. The word bank is asking, what kind of bank am I? Who around me can help me understand? And every other word creates a key, information it can offer. The word river says I'm about water, nature, flowing streams. The word steep says I describe slopes, inclines, angles. In a transformer, each word becomes a vector. But what is a vector? A vector is just a list of numbers. Each number captures one aspect of the word's meaning. Let's say we have 3 dimensions. The first dimension measures how much the word relates to money or finance. The second dimension measures how much the word relates to nature, water, earth, outdoors. The third dimension measures location. Is it about a place, a position? These 3 dimensions are just a toy example. Real embeddings have hundreds of learned dimensions that aren't human interpretable. Now let's build the query vector for bank. Remember, bank could mean a financial bank or a river bank. For finance, bank scores 0.8 high because bank is often about money. For nature, bank scores your 0.7, also high because river banks exist. For location, bank scores 0.9, very high. Both meanings are places you can go to. So the query vector for bank is 0.8, 0.7, 0.9. This is bank asking, who can help me figure out what I mean? Now let's build the key vectors. Every word gets one. Let's start with river. Finance of 0.1, low. Rivers aren't about money. Nature 0.9, very high. Rivers are all about nature. Location 0.8. Rivers are places, so river's key is 0.1, 0.9, 0.8. Now steep, finance 0.1, nature 0.4, location 0.7. Steep describes terrain, not money. We can stack all key vectors into one matrix. Each row is a word, each column is a dimension. Stack them up, and we get the key matrix K. Now the magic. To find how similar bank is to each word, we multiply query by key transpose. Key transpose means we flip rows and columns. Now each column is a word. When we multiply, each result is a dot product. Query dot each key. Higher means more similar. The dot product measures similarity. Both direction and magnitude matter. Similar vectors pointing the same way have a high dot product. Bank dot the 0.8 times 0.1 plus 0.7 times 0.2 plus 0.9 times 0.1. That's 0.31. Low similarity. Bank dot steep 0.8 times 0.1 plus 0.7 times 0.4 plus 0.9 times 0.7. That's 0.99. Bank dot river 0.8 times 0.1 plus 0.7 times 0.9 plus 0.9 times 0.8. That's 1.43. High similarity. The final attention scores. The gets 0.31, steep gets 0.99, river gets 1.43. River has the highest score. Bank should pay the most attention to river. We have raw scores, but we need them to work as weights. Enter softmax. In practice, we divide by square root of dk first. With dk equals 3, that's about 1.73. For this toy example, we'll skip that step. What is softmax? It converts any numbers into probabilities, numbers between 0 and 1 that add up to 1. The formula e to the power of each score divided by the sum of all e to the power of scores. Let's calculate. First, e to the power of each score. E to the 0.31 is 1.36, e to the 0.99 is 2.69, e to the 1.43 is 4.18. Step 2, add them all up. 1.36 plus 2.69 plus 418 equals 8.23. Step 3, divide each by the sum to get the probability. The 1.36 divided by 8.23 equals 0.16 or 16%. Steep, 2.69 divided by 8.23 equals 0.33 or 33%. River, 4.18 divided by 8.23 equals 0.51 or 51%, the highest. Notice, 16 plus 33 plus 51 equals 100% exactly. What do these percentages mean? They are attention weights. They tell bank how much to listen to each word. Bank pays 51% attention to river, 33% to steep, only 16% to the... River has the most influence, so bank knows, I'm a river bank, not a money bank. The word river gave bank the context it needed to understand itself. Let's see the complete attention formula, the one used in all transformers. Attention of Q kV equals softmax of Q times K transpose divided by square root of dk times V. Let's break it down. Q is the query, what each word is searching for. K is the key, what each word has to offer. V is the value, the actual information to be passed along. Q times K transpose gives us the similarity scores. We already calculated this. Square root of dk is a scaling factor. It keeps dot products small, so softmax gradients don't vanish during training. Softmax converts the scaled scores into probabilities. The attention weights. Finally, we multiply by V. The attention weights tell us how much of each word's value to use. This is one of the key mechanisms in every transformer, stacked across many layers and heads. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini all use this formula. Follow for more AI visualizations.